Okay, so hey guys, it's me, Jack, and I was gonna show you what I got in a tin for where's the card? A tin for Lunala, but I already opened two of the packs, and I have the cards here. And that's because the camera I was using, it messed up while I was recording it, which really sucked because it wouldn't let me like continue on with a new clip for some reason, which kind of sucks. But anyways, here is the cards I got in two Sun and Moon, just normal Sun and Moon packs. So, and then I have another stack that had cards that were in this pack right here. Then I have a pack that's still unopened. It's the Evolution pack, and that's because the video ended short. Well, it's actually open a little bit, but so yeah, because the camera messed up. So, anyways, here is the Decidueye. Why is the camera like being weird? It's like refocusing. Okay, so here is this Decidueye. I'm just gonna like this Decidueye. Young Goose, Surskit, Wingull. See this? Yeah, okay. I thought I skipped a card. Wingull, Papilio, Litten. It's upside down. Trumbeak. My gosh, why does the camera keep refocusing? Focus on one thing and not one thing only. Golbat. Energy Switch Trainer. This is upside down. Again, Steel Energy. I probably should have organized these more. Crabominable. Sorry. Bad at pronouncing that. Rare Candy Trainer. Pinsir. The How Trainer. Fairy Energy. Palo Sand, Pokeball Trainer, Spearow, Fomantis, whatever, Moral, Poliwag. So yeah, the camera. If you guys see it, I don't know if you guys see it, but the camera keeps refocusing because when I like switch the cards. So those were from two Sun and Moon packs, I think. That's some Steam Siege. Wait, no, okay, Fates Collide. Oh yeah, here's the cards I got in. Here's the stack I got in last video. Check that out. I think those were all like Guardians Rising packs, but I opened it before then too. All right, so. I'll be showing these ones to you guys in a second. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to make sure they were organized really quick. So, first off, this has already been opened. Fates Collide. Let's refocus. Let's keep it close like that. Okay, so first off, we got Riolu, Jigglypuff, Carbink, Larvitar, Diglett, and then Allmaster Break. Pretty cool. Exploud, Audino Spirit Link, it's a trainer. Helix Fossil. Oh, okay, now it's focused. Let's actually do that, yeah. Okay, Helix Fossil, Ammonite Trainer, and then N, a trainer. So, there's that stack right here. So we got, oh yeah, and we got three stacks. I believe there's a Lunala up there. And there's the 3 stacks. This one's from not, well, was it yesterday? I don't know. I think it was 2 days ago that I got the other pack. And that's a pack that's right here is Sun and Moon, and this is the one I just opened, which was Fates Collide. So yeah. Well, actually, the first one was Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So now we will be back with this pack. So yeah. Okay, so we're back. It's already opened. So this should be easy as pie. Okay, so wait, you guys just saw that code, didn't you? Yeah, I have a ton of like code cards over here, but I'll use them quick. Okay, so we got a Voltorb. Oh wait, this is, I forgot to say, this is the Evolutions pack. I think I forgot to say it, I might have said it. So this is a Voltorb. Charmander. Diglett. Ghastly. Caterpie. Rattata. Dugong. Coughing. Kakuna. And Machoke. So that was that pack. There we go. That was the Evolutions pack. I really like the look of the Evolutions cards. Pretty cool. I think I have some Evolutions cards right here, maybe. Oh no, that was from the other pack. I don't know. Because I opened one with Noah, and then I opened another one. Well, I don't know if this is like all the last 2 videos. I don't see any evolution. I think I would see evolution cards. I think I might have another stack around here somewhere. Wait, let me look actually. I don't see any. Alright, so anyways, I think that's it for the video. Yeah. So yeah, if you didn't see, that was a Lunala GX right there. And it was in a tin. I have some other tins. I might show off my Pokemon stuff in a video, so I can show you my other tins. Like, they're not like this is honestly a lot better than my other tins. Because I don't know, it has like all of my other tins. I had another tin that had like Oshawott, Snivy. I think those maybe like the Pokemon Black and White starters, maybe? I don't know. If they are, I don't know. I mean, I think there's some sort of starters. And then like another guy, I don't know if it was like Pikachu or somebody. Well, I don't think it was Charmander, because Charmander's already been a starter. But anyways, yeah. So, might show those off, so yeah, bye.